how to reply to all birthday wishes on your Facebook timeline. Now this is a very simple process. So before moving on to it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Now let's just start. First, let us open our Facebook. Now after you've opened up your Facebook, go to the menu section on the bottom left, on the bottom right. There you will see a gear icon on the top right. Just click on the gear icon, that is settings, and scroll down till you find access your information under your information section. Now just click on access your information, continue, and there you on the search bar you need to type others. Now on the top option that says other people's posts to your feed, just click on it. Now there you can see a guy wrote on my timeline, "Happy birthday my brother." Now when it's your birthday and there are a lot of wishes, it can get quite tedious to reply to all of them. So just search, follow this tutorial, and then this page will open up. Now there you will see all the happy birthday texts. Now you can just click on this and view. Now after I've gone to my view, I can just reply to this post, and then it's done. So that is how you can reply to all your birthday wishes on your Facebook timeline. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like to the video.